Looking for affordable insurance you can trust? Let's talk about American Pride Insurance. American Pride Insurance is a U.S.-based provider offering simple, flexible coverage for families and businesses. People choose American Pride for low prices, fast claims, local agents, and easy online quotes. They offer auto, home, renters, business, life, and umbrella insurance, all in one place. Auto insurance includes liability, collision, comprehensive, roadside assistance, and uninsured motorist coverage. Home and renters insurance protect against fire, theft, storms, liability, and personal belongings. Businesses get liability and workers' comp. Families can choose term or whole life insurance for long-term security. Customers save 10 to 40% with multi-policy, safe driver, military, and auto-pay discounts. American Pride Insurance delivers affordable coverage, strong service, and real value you can rely on.